So I was just standing on my stepladder because when I was on the ground, the background is distant trees and it was sort of dark and not very pretty. 3 feet off the ground did two things. One, you got to eye level with the bird. Two, your background became the golden field behind the bird and not the dark trees with no leaves on them in the background. So I got to eye level with the bird, and my shooting angle changed my entire photo from a dark, not very pretty background to a beautiful golden field.